Alright, I put the bees back here in April, and this is literally the first time it has rained since April. So I'm going to see if I can get back here and see if they are getting soaking wet. See if I did a reasonable job with my hive setup. I'm gonna get freaking struck by lightning. That's what's gonna happen. Oh man. Okay. So there are the bees. There are just a pile of wet bees on the outside of the hive. There's not a whole lot I can do about it. I hope that's okay. I really have no idea. I mean, bees must get wet in nature, right? I mean, they're not getting pounded by the rain, but they are definitely getting wet. There's a drowned bee. I don't know. Guess I'll see what it looks like in the morning. I mean, they could go inside if they wanted to.